Hello everyone, welcome to Rise IS. I am Alok Bardhan and in today's Prelims Byte session we will discuss a very important article from today's The Hindu newspaper. So today's article is about Pradhan Mantri Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana. So what is the title of today's article? Today's article title is PM to hand over 2400 crores incentive to employees. So what this article discussed? So this article discussed about recent disbursement of 2,400 crores incentive incentive in through Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana and how many how many beneficiaries included in this scheme and total outlay of this scheme and key key incentive and key information about this scheme. So why we have chosen this article? We have chosen this article because UPSC in 2021 exam asked question on almost same theme. So employment related scheme is a very much crucial for upcoming preliminary exam. UPSC frequently asks question from government scheme related to jobs and employment. So we start today's discussion with context of this article. So Prime Minister Prime Minister of India launched the disbursement of 2,400 crore to 15 lakh beneficiaries through direct benefit transfer under Pradhan Mantri Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana. So now we see key concept of Pradhan Mantri Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana. So Pradhan Mantri Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana is employment linked incentive scheme. So and total, what is the core objective of this scheme? The core objective of this scheme is to promote forward employment and support Viksit Bharat mission and to give to give formal employment and for give boost to Viksit Bharat mission. Government of India launched this scheme. So total outlay of this scheme is 99,466 crore. So what is the duration of this scheme? This scheme is valid from 1st August 2025 to 31st July 2027. So what is the core target of this scheme? See, this target of this scheme is to create over 3.5 crore new formal employment. So part A of the scheme discussed mainly about incentive for first time employees. So first time employees, under this scheme covers first time worker registered with employee provident fund organization. First time employee worker registered with EPFO can get benefit from this scheme. And so this scheme is applicable for employee earning up to 1 lakh per month. So key this scheme is applicable for employee earning up to 1 lakh per month. And so government provider under this scheme government provide EPF wage support up to 15,000 in two installment. So government of India can provide EPF support up to 15,000 in two installment. So this scheme is paid through direct benefit transfer via Aadhaar-based payment system. So via Aadhaar-based payment system in through direct benefit transfer, government paid this incentive. So this incentive is a part of incentive is kept in saving deposit account to encourage long term. So this incentive is kept in saving or deposit account to encourage long term savings. So now we see part B of this scheme, which is incentive to employers. So this scheme applicable across all sector, but government gives extra support for manufacturing sector for further generation of new employment. So this scheme covers new employee earning up to 1 lakh per month. So new employee who earns up to 1 lakh covers under this scheme. So what is the minimum hiring requirement? So firm with less than 50 employees should have two new employee, and firm with more than 50 employees should have 5 new employee. So this incentive up to 30,000 per month per employee, and this support is only for 2 years, but this support is extended to third and fourth year for only manufacturing sector to give extra boost to manufacturing sector. So and this incentive created directly to PAN linked corporate bank account. So This scheme is credited directly to PAN linked corporate bank account. So after watching this session, please attempt this question and give your answer in comment section. And thank you for attending this session. For further preparation, to download complete PDF, visit our website, and for further preparation, please visit our website and YouTube channel. Thank you.